this morning? Happy. Do you get something wrong on the way to school?
No.
No. Is it fluent?
Yes.
Smooth. Is it? Smooth. You know smooth? Smooth. Apa smooth? Mulus. Good. Yes, the smooth way to school. Is it? Alhamdulillah. Okay, class. Let's pray together. The chairman is
Siap, gerak. Semangat, gerak. Gerak, gerak. Berdoa mulai.
Okay, class. Before we start, let's say Al-Fatihah together. For non-Muslim, silakan menyesuaikan. Al-Fatihah. Okay, everybody, after we pray, kita berserah diri kepada Allah. May Allah give us the best time from this morning until the end of our day today. Semoga Allah, Tuhan yang Maha Kuasa, memberkati kegiatan kita dari Allah sampai akhir pada hari ini. Okay, let me check your present list. All of you are here. Apakah semuanya hadir? No. No. Come on. Let me check it. First, Adinda Mutiara. Okay. Aditya,
Present, guys.
Alifi, Andika. Andika still sick?
Yes.
Oh. May Allah. Asila, Ashifa, Baby, Dika, Fahmi, Faiza, Farhan, Fauzi, Gani, Yusufliana, Hasbi, Haikal, Zihan, Hela, Lakesha, Langit, Mutiara, I asked you to bring something. What is it? What did I ask you to bring? What is bring? Bring bawa. What I asked you to bring? What I asked you to bring? Tell me. Tell me, what do you bring? Show us, what do you bring? I also bring something. I also bring something. I bring, it is a kind of. I also bring you something. Here. How about you? Okay. You bring it. It is a pack of nabati. And then it is a pack of aspal. Okay. What do you bring? Hot. What do you bring? In the meal. How about you? Bang. Do you eat bang this morning? Yeah. Yes, you eat bang this morning. How about the baby? Nabati. Do you eat nabati this morning? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. And then I bring also this one for you. What is it? Oh, minyak bubur. What kind is it? It is food? So it is drink? So what is it? It is a kind of oil.
Oil.
What for? Yes, oil. For frying? So what for? Oh, but that is for medicine, yeah? Anybody bring the medicine? Nobody bring the medicine. Only the food. So, in your mind, what will we discuss? Huh? Apa yang kita diskusikan? Why I ask you to bring the pack? That is label, yeah. That is label. This is the pack of food, yeah. The pack of food. But all the information in the pack is called apa tadi? Label. Yeah. All the information in the pack is called label. Okay. Before we discuss about the label, do you read some information on the pack before? Do you read all the information here? Yes. Do you care about the information? Yes. No. Mami say no. Okay. Who care about the information? Who read the information? Sipa, what do you have? Oreo. So, when you want to buy Oreo, what do you care about? What do you read? Yes. What is it in the label that you read? Only the name? Namanya saja? Yes. Sipa the name. How about Asmi? Nabati. So what do you care about? What do you care? Yang diperhatikan. What do you care when you buy it? No, enough information in the label. What information you care about? Oh, rasa. It is the taste, yeah? The taste, rasanya. Okay. What others? What others? What do you care about in the label? Rehan. Compositionnya. So there are some information that we have to care in this packet of our food. Is it right? So all the information is called label. Now let me show you you. So our new topic for this meeting is about label. Okay. Apakah bungkusnya label? No, but it is what is the name is label? Name. What others? Huh? Okay, rasa. Apa bahasa Inggrisnya tadi? That is taste. Then here we will see it. And that's about label text. What is label? Apa itu label? You say it, name, namanya. Okay. Kemudian there is taste, rasanya. Apa lagi? Composition. Okay. What others? Expirednya. In English we call experience date. So all the information. Semua banyak. Apa lagi yang kalau Dika apa yang di dalam label? Kalau Dika. Nutrition fact-nya. Okay. There is also. Apa lagi?
Warna.
Amount, the content. Good. Next.
Warna.
Warna, the color. Is it? Okay. Next. Direction to use. What others? How about you? What do you see in your label? You have no label? How about Dika? You have label? What do you see there? Fauzi have a drink label. What do you see there? Halal certification. So there are so many information that is itulah yang pengertian secara bahasa dari sebuah label. But not the text. Bukan bungkusnya ya. Not the plastic. Bukan plastiknya. And not the paper bag. Bukan paper bagnya yang label. But the label itu adalah plastiknya yang berisi information. How about the empty plastic? The empty, there is no information. Apakah kita sebut label? For example, iced tea, TS, yang kalian minum itu, there is a label? No. Of course no. Jadi, the label is, coba baca pengertiannya. Siapa ya yang warnanya? Okay, what is label?
Label is a small piece of paper, fabric, or similar material to add to
So, we underline, it can be piece of paper, it can be fabric, it can be plastic, but yang penting adalah giving information. It attached to a product and giving information. But when there is no information, we can call it label. It is only effect, hanya bungkus. Ya, jadi itu bukan bungkusnya, but it is called the label because there are some information. Okay, the example of a label you have each of you, masing-masing sudah ada. So it is not only the garbage. Itu bukan hanya sampah yang dibawa aja, but there are also lesson. Itu juga pelajaran. Maybe now you know it in bahasa Indonesia. Sekarang tahunya bahasa Indonesia kan? Do you ever read in English? Pernah yang melihatnya dalam bahasa Inggris? Pernah. Pernah. When you buy any food, is it? For example apa? Apa? Contohnya, yang pernah melihatnya in English? Noodles? Noodle is whiter in English. Some of the noodle is whiter in English, yeah? Yeah, that is. Next, this is a sweet kind of label that we will study. That is medicine label. It is called. Here I have an example. That is a medicine label. Zero. level. Angkat. Who has the drink level? Nah, Fauzi. Drink. What is drink? Minuman. Drink level. It is. I have here Fanta. And then, what do you have? Food level. Pay attention your food level. Pay attention to the food level. Okay, how many information you get from your level? How many information you get from your level? Please count. Berapa informasinya, Nak? 8. 8. Any other more than 8? 5. Okay, there are from 5, 8. And others? Yes. Now we will check it. What information? Kira-kira kenapa? Why? What is the social function? Apa fungsinya kita belajar ini? Why? What is the reason? Kira-kira if we do not care about what we eat, if we do not care what we eat, what happen? Agar peduli dengan yang dimakan, apa lagi? Agar tidak sakit perut, good. Apa lagi? What's next? Why we have to care? Care about the level. Care about what we eat. Menjaga yang kita makan, menghindari penyakit. That is the function. Kenapa kita harus belajar level? That's why we have to care about this one. Here. I said in English here first, student can understand the content. That is the first. After studying this, we have to know what is in the content of the level that we have. Then, student can choose healthy and safe product. What is healthy? Kata kuncinya itu pada healthy, Lona. Apa healthy? Healthy apa? Sehat. So you can choose. Tadi disampaikan Atila supaya tidak sakit perut. So, have you ever heard the news about racunan itu, right? Yes. So, because they do not read the label. And then, have you heard the news that somebody wants to be more beautiful? And then, they use a skincare, but it's dangerous for her. Justru dangerous. Apa dangerous? Berbahaya bagi dia. But she didn't know about it. Why? Tapi sebelumnya dia nggak tahu. Why? Yes. Do not care about the label. Do not care about the some information on the label. So you can choose the healthy and safe product. And then this one, you can avoid harmful effect. Apa avoid? Kata kuncinya pada avoid sama dengan menghindari. Yes, that is menghindari harmful effect. Efek yang harmful, berbahaya. Good. Next, student can get the best result. Untuk mendapatkan hasil yang lebih baik. Now, last meeting, last topik kita sebelumnya, pembelajarannya tentang conjunction. Apa conjunctionnya? Kata hubung apa? Kata hubung stating the, that is in order to, good. So that. What does it mean? What does it mean? Ya, to juga. What is the meaning in Indonesia? next question, please use this sentence, this conjunction to make sentence. What for do you study level? What for do you study level? Apa bisa jawab? What for do you study level? This is the purpose. This is the purpose? Apakah ini tujuannya? Yes, coba sambungkan the sentence. What for do we study level? Who can do it? Okay, I remind you our last topic. Mengingatkan kalian ke topik kita yang sebelumnya. Disambungkan dengan topik kita yang sekarang. Coba, siapa bisa tulis ke depan atau mau dibacakan saja boleh? What for? Pertanyaannya ini. What for do you study the level text? So how to answer it? Again. To finish. To how about
You understand in order the content of level.
to understand the content of level? Good. If we make it in a good sentence, we Razak, please repeat. We study the level text to
Understand
yes to understand the content of a level. That is the first, to understand the content. The second, what for do you study the level? What for do you study the level? You can choose Sozer, you can choose to. Siapa bisa? The second, you can use Sozer, and then this is the purpose. Tekan, Fadli.
so that we know healthy and safe.
Yes. So we know the healthy and safe product. Very good. Thank you, Fadli. Next, why do you study the level? I study the level text. In order to avoid harmful. After this one, setelah ini kita akan pelajari content of each level. Apa isi? In the level, dalam sebuah level yang harus dipahami. Dan berapa informasi yang harus kita dapatkan dalam sebuah level. After studying this, we have to be able to present. Selain kalian mengerti konten dari level, we have to be able to present it. Kalian nanti mampu mempresentasikan level itu in Canva application dalam video Canva-nya masing-masing. The first letter we will do it together. Now, perhatikan lagi levelnya. Kalau kalian ketemukan my level, that brand. What is the brand yang kalian punya? In your hand, what is the brand? Nabati. What is the brand? The brand is for Nabati. The brand is. What is the brand? What is the difference between the brand and the name? Yes. The hand said for Wapelo level. No, I mean in English. No, berat bersih juga. No, writing in English. Tidak ada yang tulis dalam bahasa Inggris di situ.
Tidak.
Oke. 115. Can you say it in English? 115. Good. How about you? You have no pen? How about how? 37. What do you say in English? 57. Good. Yeah. The fourth is description. So, which one is description in your page? Description is that is wafer coklat dengan kerenyahan. That is the description. Akila, what is the description of your level? Coklat creamy. Good. Which one is description in yours? Oh, okay. You cannot see it. Oh, that's okay. How about Kayla? What is the description in yours? Biscuit gandum. How about you? Angin? What is the description? Yang mana? Which one? Yes, extra. Extra besar. How about you? What is the description? Dengan sereal. Tepat dengan sereal is good. Description. Next, we will see again other information. Ingredients. Do you find ingredients? Komposisi. Silakan. Apa komposisinya? Ada terigu, ada pagi. Milk powder, that is good. Ingredients. And then ada direction to use. It is a food. Itu makanan, ada direction to use-nya. Yes, you have it. Okay. Can you read it? Siapa yang belum terpanggil nih? Hello. Yes, silakan Mania. What is direction to use? Apa direction to use? Yes, good. Petunjuk. Use. Use baru. Penggunaan. Petunjuk penggunaan. Apa di situ? Apa Mania? Yang punya Mania tadi? Ada? Okay, I want you to check. Sekarang cobalah yang ini cek. There is direction. Is there direction to use there? Read it. Read. Baca.
Oleskan ke bagian tubuh yang memerlukan.
Oleskan ke bagian tubuh yang memerlukan. Yes. Siapa yang punya? Storage. Apa storage? Sinonim dengan storage. Same is direction to store. Apa artinya? Cara penyimpanan. Good. Silakan baca. Simpan di tempat sejuk, bersih dan kering. Itu disebut dengan direction to store. Good. Each of you semuanya bisa menemukan. The last one. That is the most important thing. Yang penting juga yang perlu kita lihat pada our level. The level apa itu? Expiration date. Do you have it? Mana yang punya expiration date-nya? No. How about you? Do you have expiration date? Isha? Isha ada? expression there nak? Expirednya ada kan Syah? No? Ashwin, can you see it? No. Ada. So, what do you find? My 2006. My 2026. Yes. My 2026. Good. Good one. Now, everybody, please keep your label in your drawer. Keep your label in the drawer. Do not waste the garbage everywhere, yeah? After studying this lesson, you have to put the garbage in the garbage bin. Dibuangnya nanti ke tong sampah. Now, we will discuss this one. Sekarang kita perhatikan bersama. That is the label in my picture. I have the label, punya label ini. And then, sudah ada panah-panahnya. Yeah, number 1. Siapa bisa jawab? Ini apa? Yang ditunjuk tanda kata. Powered by botanicals. Berarti, what is the brand of the product? Botanical. We check it. Is it right or no? Yes. That is the brand. Next. This one. One by one. Siapa bisa jawab? Kira-kira yang apa nah? Apa itu? Hah? Tadi udah ditulis di depan. Ada name, produk. Ada apa lagi tadi yang kita temukan? Ada brand, is it? Ada taste yang sama dengan description. Ada composition, ada expiration, ada needle. So, ini apa? Tadi yang tulis di sini. Direction to use. We check it. Kita periksa apakah betul ini direction to use. Sorry. This one. Ini rupanya. The second dulu. This one. This is name of product. Ini tadi kata kalian ini apa? Direction to use. Nanti kita periksa ya. Betul nggak dengan kuncinya? Direction to use. How about this one? Nah, tulis ke depan lah. Jangan membaca di sini. Yeah, come on. Siapa bisa? Okay. Next, siapa lagi yang bisa cari? Itu yang udah kasih tanda panah. Oke. Salah bentuknya later. We will check it. Later we will check. Just think about it. There are 8 information from the label. We have found 2. Sudah dilihat ada 2. Brand dan name sudah ditulis. Another. Storage. Okay, be careful. Next. Siapa lagi nak? Bella. Okay, lagi. Two others. Ada 2 lagi nak? This most mysterious thing and this one. What is this one? Come on, I need 2 volunteers. I need 2 volunteers. Yang butuh 2 orang lagi to write the information on the label. Siapa bisa? I need 2. D I experience date. Date. Okay, thank you Linda. Now we check. Sekarang kita cek. Do you write the right one? Description, you right? Yes. And then that is expiration date. That is barcode. That's right. Itu barcode-nya betul. Tapi biasanya di dalam barcode juga ada tanggal kadaluarsanya. Ini kode produksinya biasanya dilengkapi dengan tanggal. That is expiration date. Next, amount. Amount itu sinonim with netto. Do you know synonym? Sama ya, sinonim sama amount. Yes, good. Patli, you write good one. Direction to use. Okay, very good. Next, ingredient and then storage. So we read together. Brand. The brand we find here. Brand. The brand of the product is 0. Please repeat. Brand. The brand of the product is 0 star. 0 bad star. The brand of the product is 0 bad star. The name of the product. The name of the product is 0. The description. Siapa baca? Rehan, ini Rehan. Description. Oh, you cannot see it. Cannot more, bigger. Siapa? Di depan kita. Okay, the product is insect-repellent with moisturizing sheet butter. Next, please read it, Sabrina. The product contains 125. Gimana bacanya? 125 ounce. Ya, or 135. Kita baca 135 ml is milliliter. Good. Next, direction to use. Bisa baca direction to use-nya. Silakan dibaca direction to use-nya, Mutiara. Okay, thank you. Next, the ingredients. Semuanya dari sini kita ambil ya. Okay, ingredients. Akila. Ini. Kita baca 70%.
The product must not be used
Use after my
when
22nd
20
Oh, udah lama sekali ya produknya. It has been expired for a long time. Yeah. Next, storage. Yes, tapi
The product must be stored in a cool, dry place.
the product must be stored in a cool and dry place. So class, in L levels, we have to find minimum 8 important information. Jadi minimal 8 informasi ini perlu kita perhatikan pada sebuah label, baik itu food, drink, and medicine. Ya, semuanya pada tahu ke-8 itu adalah brand. Karena sekarang juga peduli kan dengan brandnya. Ini siapa sih yang mengeluarkannya? And then the name, not only the name. Jadi yang selama ini hanya peduli dengan nama produknya, itu sudah susah. Terus perlu kita perhatikan minimal 8 tadi. The ingredients-nya apa, and then expiration-nya kapan. Tulisannya yang tadi, avoid harmful effects. So now it's the time to do exercise. Sekarang kita coba menganalisa tabel yang ada di classroom. Sudah bagikan tugasnya pada kelas masing-masing. First, we will do it in group. Sebelumnya kita akan lakukannya berkelompok. Next, later for the third meeting, nanti di pertemuan ketiga, you have to finish it and you do it one by one, and then you present it in front of the class. But now we will do it in group first. Sekarang kita lakukan di kelompok dulu. Oke? Jadi saat ini classroom, nanti boleh dibawa kelompoknya masing-masing ke kelompoknya, dikerjakan di kelompok. Next, to divide it into some group, untuk membagi kelompoknya, we count. Kita berhitung. Okay, I have 5 teachers in your task. There are 5 teachers in your task. You can choose group 1, choose teacher 1, group 2, choose teacher 2, group 3, teacher 3, group 4, teacher 4, and group 5, choose teacher 5. Okay, so I will divide you into 5 groups. You say 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2. Hello.
5
Hi.
1,
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
4.
5,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay, class. Everybody stand up. Take your Chromebook. Be careful. Be careful. Group 1 is here. Group 2 is here. Group 4 is over there. And 3, 4, and 5. Yeah. So, sit in group, please. Be careful with your Chromebook. So, open your Chromebook. There. Sudah semuanya ready? Ready. for your group. Next, go on. Again. Teles betul. Again, lagi. Apa gambarnya? Naughty. Good. And for group last group. Halo. Group 5. You analyze farmhouse. Can you see it? Okay. Now, in the picture, analyze. Di analisa. Ya. This one. Analyze it and write the information on the table. Dianalisa dan tulis informasinya pada tabel kelompok masing-masing. Okay? Then complete the information. Lengkapi tabelnya. Silakan. Silakan bekerja sama, berdiskusi ya. You have your own kelompok, but you can write one by one. Okay? Silakan dibaca kelompoknya. Silakan. Tapi hasilnya diskusi ya. Can see any examples here. Seperti contoh yang saya buat di sini nih. This one. Nah, find minimum 8 information. Bukan minimal 8 informasi. Yes. Bisa. Duplicate. Duplikat dulu, kemudian diisi tabelnya. As an example. Seperti contoh di dalam classroom-nya ada contohnya juga. Yes. So discuss it in your group. You find what is the first, what is the second information, and third information. Adik temukan informasi ketiganya apa Adik dalam gambar DP, the picture, gambarnya dilihat. Yang mengenai satu orang nanti di share jawabannya. Discuss it. What information you get from the window and the table, and link dari the link of your table, your canvas, and it to me.
Oh, indah. Yang aku tadi lah. Yang buat jadi tadi lagi. Ya.
Tahu. Jaga secara ukurannya dulu.
Itu ada apa ya?
Jelas. Jama go.
And you can write not available. It means tidak tersedia. If you didn't find. But please try to find minimum 8 information. Write your comfortable. Find number 1. Who find number 1? Siapa menemukan nomor 1? Supaya jangan DP di sini menulisnya. Nah, sebelah 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 8. For number 4. Apa nomor 4? Check here. Check in your book. Nah, apa nomor 4? Divide. You know divide? Bagi. Bagi ke plannya. Good job. How about this one? What is the meaning? Each tablet contain. What does it mean? Coba di grup ini. Rehan. Nah, coba semuanya cari yang mana ingredients. Which one? Paracetamol. Please write. Paracetamol 3HUR 500 miligram. Isinya ya.
Storage apa tadi?
Ingredientnya paracetamol. And then this is the 500 miligram ini apa aja namanya? Amount.
Oh iya nih ingredient.
So, fill it the table. Fill. Isi tabelnya yang sana. Do you find all the information? Do you find all? One more. What is it? Ingredients. Can you find the ingredients? Yes, good. Write it. Type it in your table.
Not
If you have finished, please send it to me and let me give comment. Yeah? Let me give comment. And then write down the name of student in the group image. This is reading presentation ya. Kita reading presentasikan. Boleh silakan langsung buat slide-nya. For the next meeting we are ready to present it. Boleh langsung buat slide presentasinya. Oke. Bagi yang sudah selesai, buat slide presentasinya. And kirim ke mana? Kirim ke Google Form. Who will be the second? The first is group 3. So who will be the second? Just common, ya. Carry not common. Oke. Jika semuanya sudah selesai, everybody have finished. We will nearly to the end. We will nearly to the end. Kita sudah selesai, ya. Okay, if you have finished, please send it to me. Jangan lupa kirimkan ke classroomnya. Don't forget to sign it. Hello class, if you have finished, clap your hands. Masih ada yang belum. If you have finished, clap your hands. One. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. If you have finished, say bingo. 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 Semuanya bingo. Kalau yang bingo masih ada yang belum. Bingo. Nah, say bingo. Yeah. Kelas semuanya sudah selesai untuk your task, tugasnya. Now we come to the summary. Yes. Semuanya perhatikan lagi. If you have finished all your tasks, jika tugasnya sudah selesai, don't forget to send it. Jangan lupa kirim. I will give the comment in your cover. Okay. As I told you, the next task for the next meeting is presentation. Next meeting is presentation, so please divide. Silakan nanti dibagi. Who will be the MC? Will read the opening and closing, and then who will read some information. Next meeting. Nanti dibagi dalam kelompoknya. Siapa yang opening presentationnya, siapa yang closing, kemudian siapa yang membaca masing-masing informasi pada level. Yeah, for the next meeting. Now we summarize our lesson today. Sekarang kita simpulkan. Ya, grup 1 kita buat informasi pada levelnya. Please answer the first question. Siapa bisa? What is the main purpose? Apa sih main purpose? Tujuan utamanya apa? Belajar levelnya apa tujuan utamanya tadi? Apa? Yes, to know the information of the level, to choose the healthy, untuk healthy food, agar bisa memilih healthy food, makanan sehat. Good. Next, siapa bisa jawab? Mudah. Please answer it. Do you understand the level easily? Yes. You understand it easily? Apakah this is difficult or easy, nah? Coba, difficult. Sulit. Siapa yang bilang this is difficult? No. Is this easy? Yes. Thank you. Okay, the third question. How do you use the Lego in everyday life? Do you read it or do you not care about it? Not care. How do you use? Bagaimana kalian menggunakannya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari? Do you care? Apa saja setelah ini maksudnya? Apakah masih tidak peduli dengan Lego? Setelah ini? Of course, we have to harus peduli to avoid apa tadi? Harmful efek, menghindari efek yang berbahaya. Ini dia. Avoid, menghindari harmful effects, efek yang berbahaya. Oke kelas, our time is limited karena waktu yang terbatas. Sekarang isi refleksinya pada classroom masing-masing. Di sini juga boleh dicetak classroomnya. Check your classroom. There is a reflection. Ada refleksi nak? Level take assignment. Oh sorry, dari sini Google Form ya. I send you in the Google Form. Sebelum ini, let me show you. Reflection. Reflection, this one. berikan refleksinya. Silakan. Remember, ini bahasa. Boleh ditulis bahasa Indonesia. How do you feel? Pada pertanyaannya. How do you feel today? Masa ini feel today-nya? Oke, kita guys ya. Ini sir and sir. How do you feel today? Then, what do you get after studying this topic? What do you get after studying this topic? Kemudian, after studying this topic, are you happy? Berarti berikan bintangnya. 1, 2, 3. 6 for rating. Yeah. Lagi ya. Di komen ya ya. Kita ada komen di komen. Nah, buka lagi baru. Ini yang di bawah, ini yang kedua. Yes. Silakan berikan bintang berapa? Bintang 5. At least 3. If you have finished, you may close your Chromebook. Jika sudah selesai, boleh tutup Chromebooknya. How do you feel today? Rupanya bintang yang disediakan 5 ya. If you have finished, you may close your Chromebook and set again.
Ada sih siap ya. Kayak gini.
Voting respond. Still voting. What is the other 10? Baru yang 14 respon. Nah sudah, please close your Chromebook. Close your Chromebook. Dia sampai kesini Alhamdulillah, some of you sudah menyadari bahwa the label is important. And then, after studying this topic, are you happy? Give express it with star. Ekspresikan dengan bintang. Dan 5 star